In the era of renewable power, societies are seeking investments for clean energy. The increasing affordability of renewables such as power generation are propelling more and more businesses to make major advancements in commercial buildings and hotel construction for maximum utilization of clean, green energy. Low-carbon innovations are now being implemented into municipalities, and central economic hubs are becoming smart cities as global spending on this transition is expected to nearly double from $80 billion to $158 billion in 2021. As global demand for greater sustainability within towns and cities increases, so does the need for socially responsible projects from an increased demand in business investments. An urgent mandate for positive societal impact has been firmly established, and financial gain is not the major requirement of today's business investments. BarnesCapitalGreenHotel division are headquartered in Australia. The company has created a significant investment opportunity with wide-range lifestyle destinations, and they are partnered with some of the world's leading hotel operators such as Hilton, Hyatt, Radisson, and Ramada to fill the demand for bigger, better, and greener sustainable hotels across the region. The Greater Truganina community, where the first development site will be located, is one of the fastest growing regions in Victoria. The most significant demand driver of the area is the attractiveness of Truganina as a work destination. In March 2018, it was rated one of the top 10 places to live, work, and play in the Victoria region, placing 6th in the study, with the neighboring suburb of Tarneit ranking 8th on the same list. The 5-phase project will include a 160-room hotel managed by Hilton and encompasses a signature restaurant, feature bar and lounge area, function and conference facilities, and retail outlets. The Lifestyle Precinct, which will feature a state-of-the-art residents-only community, was designed by award-winning architects and interior designers and will include outdoor entertainment spaces, landscape gardens with water features, and a child care facility. The value of the Australian investment-grade hotel market has surged 26% to $56 billion over the past 4 years. This surge is due to significant investment in the sector and booming tourism market, making the future of hotels in Australia bright indeed. Over 27,000 new accommodation rooms have been added in the past 8 years, and demand keeps rising steadily, especially in the growth corridor of Melbourne, which is rapidly becoming Australia's most populous city. Industry revenue is forecast to grow at 3.5% annually over the next 5 years by $13.8 billion. While the outbreak of COVID-19 is limiting tourism activity in the current year, it's predicted that the hotel and resorts industry will rebound and expand greatly over the next 5 years. Additionally, the luxury hotel market in Australia has seen a 25.6% increase in the price per room since 2017. The demand for new hotels and the rapid rise in price has created an exciting opportunity in the Australian tourism industry. Barnes Capital is committed to ecological sustainable development. The design for the mixed-use hotel development includes ecological sustainable development initiatives in line with the Council's objectives. It has obtained a 5-star Australian Excellence score in design and as-built categories. The Green Star Benchmark Performance Summary includes ecological sustainable development initiatives such as high-performance insulation and glazing above minimum requirement in the National Construction Code, daylight sensors to control energy-efficient LED lighting in all areas, lighting power densities increased beyond the minimum requirement in the National Construction Code, reduction of potable water through high-efficiency hydraulic fixtures and appliances, provisions of end-of-trip facilities for occupants and visitors to promote active transport. All construction materials will have low life cycle impacts including consideration for concrete, steel, timber, etc. Daylight and views will be maximized to allow high indoor viewing quality. Any potential light pollution concerning the development will be minimized to reduce the effects on its surroundings. In conclusion, Barnes Capital is one of Melbourne's premier green hotel and sustainable building developers, specializing in the development of Australia's primary growth corridors and realizing exceptional returns for their investors and clients. From architecturally designed master planned communities through to multi-purpose sites with medical facilities, childcare centers, conveniences, and much more, they're focused on developing projects that give back to the communities in which Barnes Capital develop.